Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to draw a dotted line in Excel. So firstly select any cell, then insert. Now here illustrations shape and select the line and draw your line with pressing and holding shift key. Now right click on this line and click on format shape. Now here you can change the color for this line. You can increase the size. To make dotted line, dash type, so select dotted. And there are some more options. So thanks for watching. This is the way guys to draw dotted line in Excel.